Alright, it's July the 26th. It was 8 in the morning. We're going to the Delta, and this is what my nephew caught. Check it out. It's a largemouth bass. It's pretty heavy, pretty thick. I don't know if it's pregnant or not. It looks like it. Look at that. What is it?
I think it is pregnant.
I think it is pregnant. It's 15-inch.
Whoa,
Yeah, she looks pregnant. On this side. Yeah, she looks pregnant.
Two patterns on different patterns on each side.
Yeah.
It has a lining on. It doesn't have a visible lining on this side.
Okay, and this is a bait he was using. We're using a swim bait. It's a replica of a shad. Has a spinning action, so that's probably what caught the bass' attention. So
Bass is still alive. Jesus Christ!
It just bit me. That's pretty chunky, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, it is pregnant. I think she was probably spawning out there.
She was mating.
Too late now.
Alright,
guys.
She's like